Ndewono. Welcome to EJ the World Traveler, a fun and easy way to learn the Igbo language for children and adults. You can purchase EJ the World Traveler books and access audio lessons, including our Igbo Word of the Week, on our website, www.ejtheworldtraveler.com. Today's Igbo lesson is on body parts. You will first hear how to say the body part in Igbo, then in English, followed by a fun exercise to test your knowledge. As we go through the lesson, you're encouraged to pause at or rewind to areas that you'd like more practice on. Are you ready? All right, let's get started. Here is a picture of all the body parts in both Igbo and English. Now let's go through each one, starting from the head and working our way down. Isi, head. Anya, eye. Imi, nose. Nti, cheek. Nti, ear. Ono, mouth. Eze, teeth. Ire, tongue. Agba, chin. Onu or olu, neck. Ara, breast. Nkuaka, elbow. Afo, belly. Obi, chest or heart. Uku, waist. Ikbere, knee. Okwo, leg. Aka, hand. Mvaka or mkpisiaka, fingers. Mbokwo, toenail or mkpisiokwo. Ntutu isi, hair. Ndabiolu, shoulder. Apataka, forearm. Azu, back. Ike, buttock. Apatokwo, thigh. Okpa, foot. Practice this a few more times. Now, let's see how much you remember. How many parts in this picture can you name in Igbo? Feel free to pause the video as you're guessing. You think you got it? Check your answers here. Thank you for joining EJ the World Traveler teaches you body parts in Igbo. Stay tuned for more. See you next time.